Okay, so guys, what we observe is there are 21 such points. ऐसे चार quadrant में अगर हम लेंगे तो कितना होगा? 21 times 4, which is 84. Okay, you can see these 84 points coming up now, right? Okay, and now of these 84 points, we observe that 5 points are counted twice on all the axes, and the origin has been counted 3 times extra. So from 84 points that we took, basically, okay, this 84 points that we took, especially we subtract 20 and we subtract this 3. 84 minus 20 minus 3 is 61. That is the final number of points. Okay, we'll see one more question, guys, based on this. How many points with integer coordinates lie within or on the boundary of the region formed by a circle centered at origin with radius 5 units? Okay, so guys, one way is if you're very desperate, you can just write the equation of this particular circle. We saw that any circle having a center a comma b and radius r, uska equation is x minus a the whole square plus y minus b the whole square equals to r square, right? R यहाँ पे कितना है guys? 5 units है, and the center is nothing but the origin, right? Center to the origin. तो a comma b का coordinates क्या होगा? 0 comma 0. So x minus 0 the whole square is x square, y minus 0 the whole square is y square, and 5 square is 25. Okay, this is how you get the equation of the circle which we need to plot. Okay, तो ये करने पहले हम लोग. Okay, let's plot a circle. Now, as I said, out of desperation, what we will do is we'll just try to put in the values of x, integral values, and find out the corresponding values of y. Okay, notice that guys, यहाँ x की value 0 से लेके 5 तक ही जा सकती है. Okay, if you take x as positive, okay, and more than 5, let's say if you take x as 6, you will have 6 square plus y square equals 25. Okay, that means y square is 25 minus 36, y square is minus 11. Impossible. You will have imaginary solutions. Okay, so for real solutions, guys, always remember in this case, x can go only from 0 to 5. Okay, so we take the first case when x is equal to 5. When guys x is equal, so sorry, when we take the first case, guys, when x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, guys, we have 0 square plus y square is 25, or y square is 25 means y can be plus or minus 5 in this case, right? That means guys, x equal to 0, अगर हमने origin consider किया है suppose यहाँ पे, y can go from minus 5 to plus 5. Okay, so हम लोग क्या करेंगे? हम लोग minus 5 से लेके plus 5 काउंट करेंगे कितने पॉइंट्स है. minus 5 to plus 5, there are 11 such points, guys, right? So you can see here 11 points. Okay, and since they're lying on the axis, there is no reflection ka baat right now, so keep it as time being 11. Okay, the next we take is x is equal to 1. Now guys, if we take x is equal to 1, this will be 1 square, which is 1, plus y square as 25, or y square is 25 minus 1, which is 24. Now guys, the question demands integral coordinates, right? Matlab y square cannot be equal to 24 for us. Okay, for us y square can be at max a perfect square less than 24, jo ki hoga 16, right? So here in this case, guys, y will be going from minus 4 to plus 4. Okay, that means there are 9 values of y, x y possible here. अब ये 9 values कब possible होगी guys? When you took x is equal to 1, right? ये same values कब possible होगी? When you take x equal to minus 1, right? इसलिए यहाँ पे मैंने reflection का column बनाया, right? तो guys, जितने points x equal to 1 में आएंगे, उतने points x equal to minus 1 में भी तो आएंगे, right? So we have 9 points on x equal to 1. X equal to minus 1 पे भी same, exactly 9 points आएंगे, right? You can do this again, guys. If you take x equal to 2, you will get y from minus 4 to 4 again. यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? Y square is equal to 21 हो जाएगा, right? 21 minus 25 minus 4. Still the perfect square is 16. Okay, so we have 9 points. Reflection मिला के 18 points. You can see the 9 points coming up right now. Okay, same way you can take now x equal to 3. If you take guys x equal to 3, you'll have 3 square plus y square equals 25. 3 square is 9. That means y square is 25 minus 9, or y square equals 16. यहाँ तक खुद 16 मिलेगी आपने को, right? So again, y can go from minus 4 to 4. Okay, 9 such points. Okay, so reflection मिला के 18 points. Okay, these 18 points. Okay, observe carefully, guys. यहाँ पे अब minus 4 and plus 4 are lying on the circle, right? It has to be. Okay, because y is now also equal to plus or minus 4, right? Y square is equal to 16, right? मतलब y can now be also equal to plus minus 4, right? Okay, next possibility, guys, if you take x equal to 4, when you do that, you will get 4 square plus y square equals 25. So 4 square 16, y square is equal to 25 minus 16, y square is equal to 9. Matlab guys, y is going from minus 3 to 3. There are 7 values. Reflection mila ke 14. You can see 7 and 7 for both x equal to 4 and minus 4. Last case, when x equal to 5, guys, y can take only one value, which is 0. Okay, so the same value will be applicable for x equal to minus 5 also, right? You can see here flashing on the screen. If you add all these points, guys, you get the answer as 81. Okay, this is one way out. Very complicated. It's very iterative process. बार बार करना पड़ेगा. But if you are very desperate, you can still solve the question like this. Okay. Now let's look at another approach to solve the same question, guys. Okay, what we will do is we'll divide this particular question into two parts. Okay, हम लोग circle के पहले इसको पहले Pick's theorem solve करेंगे. Okay, we have already found out the number of points inside here by using Pick's theorem. Okay, and that was nothing but 61, right? This particular question we solved some time back. अब इसके ऊपर हम लोग क्या है guys, circle draw करना है, right? Okay, now guys, we observe that in this case, if the equation of the straight line was x plus y is equal to 5, okay, the coordinates of these points can be easily found, right? Like if you take x equal to 1, y can be equal to 4 here. If you take x equal to 2, y will be equal to 3 here. If you take x equal to 3 here, okay, y will be equal to something, y will be equal to, let's say, 1 here. Oh, sorry, 2 here. If you take x equal to 4 here, y will be equal to 1. And if you take x equal to 5 here, y will be equal to 0. Okay, so these are the points lying on the boundary. But guys, in our question, we also have x square plus y square equals 25, right? That means there might be some points जो इस line के ऊपर होंगे, but इस particular arc के ऊपर या arc के नीचे हो सकते हैं, right? Let's find out those points right now. Okay, so guys, x square plus y square is equal to 25 अगर हमने लिया, यहाँ पे x equal to 0 पुट किया तो y तो plus minus 5 ही आएगा यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक. If you put guys x equal to 1 here in this case, x square plus y square is 25. That means as we saw, y is going from plus or minus 4, right? But guys, अगर हम यहाँ पे x equal to 2 पुट करते हैं, so ये क्या हो जाएगा, 2 square plus y square equals 25 और y square equals to 21. Okay, basically y will go from plus or minus 4. But guys, इस line पे जब आपने y equal to 2 लिया है, सॉरी इस लाइन पे जब हमने x equal to 2 लिया है, ओके, तो y की वैल्यू कितनी आई थी, 3 आई थी. मतलब वी आर मिसिंग आउट ऑन दिस वन पॉइंट जिसका कोऑर्डिनेट होगा 3,4, which will come here, right? This point will come here. Okay, similarly guys, when you take x equal to 3 here, okay, in this case y will be nothing but equal to 4, right? Okay, that means this will be the point which you are missing on the line. Okay, line पे तो आपने 2 तक कंसीडर किया है, and also this point जो उसके नीचे होगा, right? Okay guys, same way ऐसे दो पॉइंट और होंगे, एक दो, right? When you take x is equal to 4 right now, when you take x equal to 4, as per the line, y will be equal to 1. But what about y is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3? वो तो उसके ऊपर lie करेंगे, right? Of course not lying on the circle. Okay, these two. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll take note of these extra points and we say that there are exactly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is extra points, right? Okay, और ये 5 extra points हर quadrant में होंगे, so you can observe guys. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll add these 5 extra points in all quadrants. 5 into 4 is 20. 61 plus 20, you get the same answer, 81. Okay, I hope you appreciate this approach. If not, कोई बात नहीं. Okay, you can stick to the basic one. मैं आपको एक और hint देता हूँ in these questions. Okay, whenever guys there is a circle and you have to find out the number of points with integer coordinates lying inside or on the boundary. Okay, just find out the area of the circle. Okay, यहाँ पे area कितना होगा, pi r square. Okay, pi is approx 3.14 multiplied by 25. Okay, ये basically 25 हो जाएगा 100 बटे 4. Okay, this is a very quick way to calculate, right? So 4 7s are 28, फिर 4 8s are 32, approx 78.5. So approximately इतने number of points होंगे, right? But guys, always remember this method will work only and only if the options are pretty far apart. Okay, एक 81 होगा, एक suppose 91 होगा, एक suppose 71 होगा और 61 होगा. तो जो दूर दूर वाले ऑप्शन होंगे वहां पे काम करेगा. Otherwise, you have to follow the first iterative approach or the shortcut by the Pick's theorem. Okay, guys. So we'll stop here. This one homework question for you guys, which I wanted to solve, and we'll start the next lecture with the same question. Okay, please इसको try करके. It's a really good question. We'll discuss that. So see you next time.